Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. This is going to be another unboxing video and I have got some freebies to show you, and these are the pick and mix freebies. This is what it looks like. It's got my address on the other side there. So as always, if you're new to feelunique pick and mix sample service, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in finding out what samples I chose this month, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So feelunique is an online beauty store and they have a service called Pick and Mix that entitles you to choose up to 5 free beauty samples once a month. That's all you pay is postage and packaging, which is £3.95. You need to sign up to the website's newsletter, and once you've done that, then you're able to choose your samples. Say for instance you choose your samples on the 1st of July, you won't be able to do it until the 1st of August. Also, once you receive your samples, you get your postage and packaging, which is £3.95, credited back onto your account. So you're able to use that on future purchases, which is amazing. So essentially you're getting these free items completely free. Even though feelunique ship worldwide, their pick and mix sample service unfortunately is only available in the UK. They've got about 10-11 different pages full of samples, all different sizes, all different shapes. They've got drop-down menus where you're able to pick individual items like makeup, skincare, hair care, perfumes, etc. Plus you can also go for tubes, you can go for vials, you can go for cards. Usually the tube type ones are the ones you're going to get the most sample size out of, so sometimes I just tend to click on that and just see what new samples have come up. To find it on their website, if you were to go into the search bar at the top of the screen, just type in pick and mix and it'll come up there, and then the page will come up. Now they release samples randomly throughout the month, which is frustrating if you've done your shop, you've found some really great samples, you're excited to get them, and then a week or so later you find more samples on there or you hear about it, especially if you're on my Facebook page or Instagram page, which is the same name as my channel, because I post up things up there regularly letting you know, and it's frustrating because it's I can only do it once a month. So there is that. There's no set date that these samples are released, unfortunately. So the best thing to do is just to dip in and out now and again. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out and you want to know more, please ask down in the comments, and all links related to the service I will pop in the description. So underneath this video you'll see show more, click that'll bring the description and everything will be down there. So let me show you what I chose this month. So the first item is a mask. I love sheet masks. I got a ton of them and I can't stop myself from getting more. Got an addiction going on. This is a Hydrating bamboo water sheet mask with turmeric, and this is a Korean sheet mask, and that's what it looks like there. And what's it by? OK. So I'm not sure how much they cost. All the items in the pick and mix service you can actually buy on the feelunique website. It's a good way of trying a product, especially if it costs a lot of money, like foundations, like £30–40 maybe. Then if they've got them in samples, then it's worth trying, isn't it? Because you never know, it might not be suitable or you might fall in love. But yeah, back to the sheet mask. It sounds lovely. It sounds really, really cool. I just like the thought of water, and turmeric has these amazing health benefits as well. So I thought, nope, that'd be nice to have. So that's my first one. And I've got a few of these and I like them. This is Emma Hardy, and this is Protect and Prime, and it's got SPF 30 in it. It's a lightweight, hydrating and protecting daily moisturiser. Soothes and primes the skin for a soft focus, luminous finish. Provides UVA and UVB, SPF 30 protection. And this is 15 mils. So perfect size to take away on a weekend away or a holiday. Really, really good. And it contains, as it says, primes, moisturisers and SPF. It's a really good all-in-one all-rounder. So when I saw that, I had to get that again. Then in a 20ml sample, I've got a Philip Kingsley, and it's Prep, and it's a polishing balm. Seriously smooth, frizz-free styling balm. And this is what this looks here. I've tried quite a few of the products, but I haven't tried any of the styling products. I've tried treatments and creams and shampoos and conditioners and things, so I thought I'd give that a go. So yeah, so there's that. Then I went for an Elemis sample, and this is the Pro-Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm, and this is 3 mils. I thought maybe we might get a little pot. I haven't got it down here at the moment, but sometimes they have a Emma Hardy Moringa cleansing balm and it's in the most gorgeous, cute pot. It's tiny, 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 but I think that's 5 mils maybe. But I thought, ooh, because I love Elemis products and their cleansing balms as well. I do really like them. So I thought, oh, I wonder if that is in the little pot, but it's not. But doesn't matter because it'll definitely be used. So is that. And finally I got a Smashbox Primer and it says our #1 primer, the original photo finish, smooth and blur. That's the outer packaging. So again, another really good sample size. And what is it? I think it's, what is it? It's 7.1 mils. And it says this clear primer gel is the first product ever created at Smashbox. We developed it to help makeup look better and last longer. Makeup lasts hours and hours, instantly blurs fine lines and pores. Blend of vitamin A and E, grape seed extract and green tea. Lightweight and oil free for all skin types. And it says smooth over clean and moisturised skin. So there's that one there. So these are all the products that I chose in this month's feelunique Pick and Mix sample service. How amazing is that? I used my voucher code, so I ended up getting these for free, completely free. I just absolutely love this service and I'd be really happy if I received these, maybe not the sachet as much, but if I received any of these, which I am likely to do, you know, these sort of size samples you do find in subscription boxes, but as I was saying, if I were to find some of these in a subscription box, I'd be quite happy. So the fact that I can get them for free is absolutely brilliant. I love it. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Do you get the samples? What have you chosen this month? Have you chosen the same as me? Have you chosen anything better? I think there was a NARS lipstick that came up after I did this, but it went out within a day or two, so unfortunately. But never mind, it is definitely worth checking out. Even if there's nothing there that takes your fancy, dip in there, go in and out and seeing what is there, so you never know. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots of videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.